Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a checklist on Canva and then how to basically make it clickable. So Canva doesn't have an option to make it clickable for now. So now I'm going to search on templates, a checklist, because for today's video I'm just going to use a checklist template, but I actually suggest you to do the same. And basically when you choose a template, then you can actually um, edit it basically and use it as your own. Now let's try to find some checklists for today's video. Let's choose, for example, this option and now click customize this template. And now we're gonna basically, you can edit it, of course. I'm not gonna do that because we don't need that. As you can see, the checklists here are just boxes, shape of a square, and it's just basically like a border. So that's how you create actually one, but I just suggest to use the template because also, guys, if you create your own and for example your boxes are something like that, they are not tidy, then you can actually choose all of them like that. Now you're gonna click those three dots and you're gonna click tidy up right here by spacing evenly and tidy up. And now as you can see, it's all in one line. So that's one tip I can give you today. Now you want to download it as a PDF document. So you're going to click share, download, and you're going to choose a PDF standard option and you're going to download it. Now I'm on MacBook and I just open it up through the preview. I can actually click form filling, which means that I can write something down here. But of course, we don't have like a checklist. I just can add a check mark. So we can actually choose a markup and then, I don't know, maybe this option. And you basically draw those checkboxes. But if you don't like this and you are not a MacBook, for example, when you open it up on PDF document, right, like so, you can actually have an option on like PDF reader or somewhere like that. You can actually have an option right there, form, and then you're gonna see the checkbox form. So you want to open it up, click on it, and basically it will checkbox your boxes. So that's basically it, guys. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.